Welcome to Operation
Yum!
Today we're going to make orange cranberry nut muffins. For this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients. But before you do anything,
Wash our hands. Let's get started.
so this is how we measure a cup of flour. We put the flour in the cup, and then we use a knife on the flat side to scoop it all off and make sure it's a level cup. Now you're gonna do it, okay? There we go. Put some more in there. That's it. Good job. Okay, now use that on the flat side, right? Scoop it back and scoop some over. Oh, good job. Okay, we're gonna dump it in this bowl. Go ahead and dump it in the bowl. All right, good job. Great, and we've already measured out our sugar and the baking soda and baking powder, so you can put that in. Great. Okay, now we're gonna move this over here and we're gonna let you break some eggs, okay? Oh, good job. All right.
Eggy pour.
All of it in there. Great.
The yolk even went in.
Yeah, the yolk went in, that's right. It's a little bit messy, but that's fine. You did it, you got a great egg in there. Okay, now we're gonna do the orange juice. Can you put that in with the egg? Yep, all of it. Great. And this is our oil and our orange peel. Great. Yeah. Does it smell like oranges? Yeah? Yeah. Mix it really well. Good job. Do you think you can pour this big bowl into here? Wow, good job. I'm gonna stir a little bit just to get it mixed in, and then I'm gonna let you stir, okay? Now it's your turn. Great. We're gonna add in a couple more things. This is our cranberries. Can you add that in for me?
All of it?
Yep, all of it. Yep. There we go. And our nuts. Great, great. Do you think it's gonna taste good? Yeah. Okay, now that's all stirred up, so we're gonna bring the muffin pan over and we're gonna fill our muffin papers, okay? And don't worry if a little bit of it gets on the pan, that's okay. It's kind of messy, huh?
Yeah.
I know. Awesome. Oh, good job. Okay, and now we're gonna put them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. And now while the muffins are baking, we're gonna make this glaze. You don't have to put the glaze on, but if you want your muffins a little bit sweeter, you can make the glaze and put it on top when they're done baking. So we're just gonna put about a tablespoon of water in with our powdered sugar, and then you're gonna mix it up for me. Just stir. Yep.
Oh, this bowl is so tight and
Yeah.
cute.
It's so cute. Yeah. It's gonna be really sweet. You gonna try it? What do you think? Yeah, yeah. Okay. They're all done. All right, now we're going to put the glaze on, okay? Just brush it on like that. There you go.
Painting a muffin.
Oh, so perfect. All right, all done.
Yum! Operation complete.